Hey y'all, welcome to my YouTube channel. I wanted to take a few minutes to explain to you why at 56 years old I decided to start this YouTube channel. My reasons why can be summed up in a conversation that I had today with a young man at work when he said to me, I don't like to see women in makeup. They don't need to wear makeup. They're beautiful just like they are. I don't know why they want to put makeup on. And I'm paraphrasing. So I explained to him why I wear makeup. I don't wear makeup to make myself look better for anybody else. I don't care what other people think about how I look. I care about what I think about how I look. And the whole reason that I go through my skincare routines and the reason why I put makeup on every day is because it is the ultimate expression of self-love. I do it as a way to take care of myself. And when somebody says to me, wow, Leanna, you look really pretty today, I don't think to myself, oh, I'm so attractive. I think to myself, yes, I look pretty today because I took care of myself, because I cared enough about myself to take care of me. And this is the reason that I started this channel, because I want other people to understand that ultimate expression of self-love. There are several things that you will never find here on my channel. You will never hear me say I'm sorry. I hear so many people who are doing YouTube channels, oh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry that there was noise. I'm sorry that I didn't get a video uploaded. You're not going to hear me say that. The word sorry is used so much that it has no meaning behind it anymore. And I am not sorry for being a human. You will not find any filters here on my channel. You will see the real me. You will see every line, every wrinkle. You will watch me as I lift my droopy eyelids to put my makeup on, because I want you to know that it's okay for you to be you. And it's okay to have wrinkles. I am not trying to cover up who I am. I am a 56-year-old mature woman. I have wrinkles on my face. I have texture. I have large pores. And every time I see the wrinkles around my eyes or the lines here around my mouth, I think to myself, these are proof that I have smiled. And these are proof that I have laughed. And that's an amazing thing. We all have wrinkles and texture. We all have pores. That is all a part of our natural beauty. And I choose to love myself anyway. I choose to take my makeup and dress up all of the wrinkles and the texture on my face, because that is the ultimate expression of self-love. I want to help you find your confidence and realize your self-worth. You are worth buying that eyeshadow palette. You are worth buying the skincare and the moisturizers. Doesn't have to be expensive, but you are worth the time and the effort that it takes to take care of you. If you're not already a subscriber here to my channel, I sure hope that you will consider subscribing so that we can walk through this journey to self-love together. I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.